ChatGPT, Bing Chat, and Google Bard are fantastic tools, but you need to have them open in a browser tab so you can copy-paste when necessary. What if I told you there is a faster and more efficient method of enjoying instant assistance from AI while browsing the internet? Stick around to see how. MaxAI is a free browser plugin that connects ChatGPT, Bard, Bing, and Claude directly to your browser, letting you instantly transform and improve what you write as well as interact with parts of text that you find online. The application is user-friendly and includes lots of pre-built prompts for various tasks. Let's see what it can do for you. When writing, you can ask MaxAI to improve your spelling and grammar, expand or reduce the length of your text, and simplify or change the tone and style of your writing. Besides writing, you can use it while browsing. You can ask MaxAI to explain a text, paraphrase it, simplify it, summarize or list the text's key points, and so on. It even supports translation into 14 different languages. Essentially, MaxAI acts as a co-pilot for almost anything you do online. Let's see how to install and use it. Open your Chrome's web store. Find and select the MaxAI extension. Click Add to Chrome, then click Add extension at the pop-up message that will appear. Now you are good to go. Let's try this. I'll type something, select it and right-click on it. Then I'll choose the MaxAI.me option. Now I'm free to ask MaxAI to adjust the text to whatever I wish. Note that the first time that you load your browser, when you click the MaxAI option, a sidebar will appear asking you to log into your favorite AI provider. You can leave this sidebar on or you can turn it off. It makes no difference. Let's see another way of using MaxAI. I have written this email quickly, but it needs to sound a bit more professional. So I'll select it, click the MaxAI option, and then ask it to change its tone to a professional one. As you see, MaxAI did a pretty solid job. As mentioned earlier, you can also use it while browsing. Suppose I want to get a summary of the selected text. I will right-click it and pick the MaxAI option as usual. Then I'll click the List Key Takeaways option. A sidebar will appear on the screen's right side, listing the text's key points. MaxAI, previously known as UseChatGPT.ai, works for Windows and Mac OS. It's a must-have free application that can boost your productivity as it comes with some really well-written prompts, eliminating the need for copying and pasting the AI-generated text. But MaxAI is not the only application you should be looking at. There are more great tools that you can utilize to help you. Discover them on the link shown on your screen and skyrocket your productivity. Until the next time, see you.